Hello, my dear students. Good morning, all. I hope all of you are doing good. So, this is our seventh video of chapter 1. Let's write a letter. We have already completed all the activities of this chapter in our previous classes. So, this class will be a revision class of chapter 1. So, let's start our class. We have 8 activities to do in this chapter. Activity 1 is word processor to prepare letters. That is preparing letters using the word processor LibreOffice Writer. Then our second activity is letters that change their form. That is to change the font of the letters. Then activity 3 is adjusting the borders. Then activity 4 is adjusting the space between the lines. Activity 5 is preparing a greeting card. That is, first of all we have to insert a frame. That is our fifth activity, how to insert a frame. Then activity 6, greeting cards in new form. That is, we are typing Malayalam in the greeting card. Then activity 7 is making greeting cards more attractive by giving background colors to the greeting cards. Then activity 8 is including a picture in the greeting card. So these are the 8 activities that we have to learn in our first chapter, that is let's write a letter. We have already learned how to do these activities in our previous classes. Now I'll show you the steps to do these activities. Activity 1 is word processor to prepare letters. Word processing software is used for text typing, and we are familiar with text typing and the ways of making text more attractive. And in Ubuntu 18.04, we are using LibreOffice Writer software for text typing. Then how to open the software? Click on Applications, then select Office. From that, select LibreOffice Writer. That is clicking on Applications, then Office, then LibreOffice Writer software. In this manner, we can open the software called LibreOffice Writer. Then how we can type the text? Open the software and we can start typing in it. So this is our first activity, that is preparing letters using word processor, and a letter is given in your textbook. We have to type that letter using this LibreOffice Writer software. That was our first activity. Then what should you consider while preparing the letter? What all things we have to consider while preparing the letters? We have to use capital letters wherever required. Then words must have a certain space between them. Then paragraph should be equally aligned. Lines must have proper spacing between them. These are some of the points that we have to consider while preparing letters. Then our second activity was letters that change their form. That means changing the font of the letters. So what do you mean by font? What is font? Different kinds of letters are available in word processor, and these are called fonts. That is different styles of letters, writing the letters in different styles. That is called fonts. Then how to change the font of the letters? Step 1 is select the letters. Then step 2 is select the font from font name tool in the toolbar. So first of all we have to select the letters, then we have to select the font. That was our second activity, changing the font of the letters. Our third activity was adjusting the borders. How to adjust the borders? First of all we have to select that paragraph. Then we have to click on Justify tool from the alignment tools in the toolbar. Our next activity is adjust the space between the lines. For this also, first step is select the paragraph. Then we have to click on the line spacing tool. Then from that we have to select the appropriate line spacing option. We have many options like line spacing 1.15, 1.5, 2, 2.5, etc. So we have to select appropriate line spacing option from that by clicking on the line spacing tool in the toolbar. Our next activity was preparing the greeting card. So to prepare greeting card, first of all we have to insert a frame. How to insert a frame? Step 1 is click on insert menu in the toolbar. Then step 2, select frame. Then step 3, give the width and height of the frame in the window that comes up. After giving the measurements, we have to click on the OK button. In this manner, we can insert a frame. Then how to adjust the size of the frame. For that we can select the frame by clicking on its side. We have to click on any one of the four sides of the frame, then that frame gets selected. How we can know that? We can see many small squares around that frame. Now to adjust the size of the frame, we have to click on the small squares that appear on the sides to adjust the width and height. Our sixth activity was greeting cards in new forms, that is typing Malayalam in greeting card. How to do that? Step 1 is adjust the layout in Malayalam. Then we have to type Ammakke Adaravode. Then step 3 is using the font Rajana. There are many Malayalam fonts available. We can use any one of that. In this activity, it was asked to use the font Rajana. Okay, there are different fonts in Malayalam, just as in English. Some examples are Rajana, Lohit Malayalam, Meera, Kalyani, etc. Our seventh activity was making greeting cards more attractive. How? By giving them a background color. How to give background color? For that we have to select the frame. How to select the frame? Just click on any one of the four sides of the frame. Then that frame gets selected. Then step 2 is click on background color tool in the toolbar. Then step 3 we can select our required color from the color palette. And our last activity in this chapter is including a picture. And step 1 is we have to bring the cursor inside the frame. How to bring the cursor inside the frame? Just click inside the frame, then the cursor comes inside the frame. Then step 2 is click on image tool on the toolbar or select image from insert menu. Then step 3 is select the image from the window and click open button. Then step 4, adjust the width and height of the image. After that we have to click on the save button. In this manner we can include the picture. Then how to adjust the size of the picture? For that, first of all we have to select that picture. How to select the picture? Just click on the picture, then that picture will get selected. Then we can see many small squares around the picture. You have to click and drag on the small squares that appear on the sides of the picture to adjust the length and width of that picture. So these are the 8 activities in our first chapter. Now in your textbook, in assessment portion, 2 questions are given. We will do these 2 questions as a revision. So let's see our first question. Prepare a greeting card in Malayalam using frames technique to wish your classmate happy birthday. We have to make a greeting card to wish our classmate happy birthday, and we have to prepare the greeting card in Malayalam using the frame technique that we have already learned in this chapter. Okay, now our second question is, here is a letter sent by Anushka to her friend Ammu. Type the letter in word processor and save it. The font must be Liberation Mono. Then line spacing must be 1.5 and we have to justify the letter. Okay, so let's type this letter. So let's start our activity. For that we have to open the software called LibreOffice Writer. How to open the software? We have to click on Applications. From that select Office. Then from that we have to select LibreOffice Writer. Then LibreOffice Writer software will be opened. Now let's type the letter given in your textbook. Letter written by Anushka to her friend Ammu. Now here I have typed the letter that is given in our textbook. Now we have to change the font of this letter to Liberation Mono. How to change the font of this letter? First of all we have to select the letter. For that, bring the cursor to the starting of this letter. Click and drag it till the end. Now the letter is selected. Now we can change the font by clicking on this font name tool. Click on that and then we can select the required font from that box. We have to select Liberation Mono. Now I have selected the font Liberation Mono and this letter has changed its font to Liberation Mono. Now we can change the font size of this letter by clicking on this font size tool. Click on this and we can select the required font size from this. I am going to select size 14. Now the letter's font size has been increased to 14. Now we have to change the line spacing of this letter. Line spacing means the space between each lines in this letter. We have to set it to 1.5. For that we can select this line spacing tool. Here many spacing options are available. From this we have to select spacing 1.5. Now there is enough space between the lines of this letter. Our next activity is to justify this letter. For that we have a justify tool here in the alignment tools. We have left alignment tool, center alignment tool, right alignment tool and a justifying tool. We have to select that justifying tool. Now the letter is justified. The borders on the left and right side is equally aligned. Now we have to save this file. How to save this file? For that, here in the toolbar we have a save button. Either we have to click on that button or from file we can select save. So either by clicking on the save button or from file we can select save. Then a window appears. We have to select the folder in which this file should be saved. After that we have to give a name for this file. After that we can click on this save button. Now I am going to select the folder downloads from home. Double click on that. Then I have to give a name for this file. I am giving the name as letter. Then after giving the name we have to click on this save button. Now this file is saved. So how to save the file? We have to click on this save button or from file we have to select save. Then a window appears. In that we have to select the folder in which this file should be saved. After that we have to give a name for this file and then we have to click on the save button. In this manner we can save the file that we have created. So this is our first activity. Our next activity is to prepare a greeting card to wish our classmate happy birthday, and we have to prepare the greeting card in Malayalam using frame technique. So in order to prepare the greeting card, what we have to do at first? We have to insert a frame. How to insert the frame? Here we have to click on this insert menu. From that we have to select frame. Then a window appears. We have to give the measurements of the frame, that is width and height. I am giving 12 centimeters width, then 10 centimeters height. After giving the measurements we have to click on this OK button. Now a frame is created. Now in order to select this frame we have to click on any one of the 4 sides of this frame. When we click on any one side, the frame gets selected. Then we can see many small squares around this frame. If we want to adjust the size of this frame, we have to click on this small squares and we can drag it. If I drag it inwards, the size get decreased. If I drag outwards, the size get increased. So we can also adjust the size of the frame in this manner. Now we have to prepare a greeting card to wish our classmate happy birthday. So we have to write happy birthday wish inside this frame, and we have to prepare this in Malayalam. So we have to type Janmadinashamsagal in Malayalam inside this frame. So how to type inside the frame? We have to click inside the frame so that the cursor comes inside the frame. Now we can start typing. Then in order to type in Malayalam, we have to change the keyboard layout to Malayalam. How can we do that? Here at the top portion we can see an icon EN, that is English. Click on that and we can select the language Malayalam. Now we can start typing Malayalam. Now do you know which all letters are on which all keys in our keyboard? No. For that just click on this icon. Then we can see keyboard layout chart. Click on that. Now we can see a Malayalam keyboard layout. With the help of this we can type Malayalam. Now I am going to type Janmadinashamsagal inside this frame. Okay, now I have typed Janmadin Ashamsagal. We have to change the font size, font, and we have to align it to the center of the frame. For that, I have to select this text first. How to select the text? Bring the cursor to the starting, then click and drag till end. Now the text has been selected. Now I can change the font by clicking on this font name tool. We have various Malayalam fonts available. From that, we can select Meera. This is a Malayalam font. Now I am selecting Meera. Now we have to change the font size of the selected text. For that, we can go to this font size tool, click on that, then select the required font. I am selecting 18. Okay. Now we have to align this wish to the center of the frame. How to do that? We can select this center align tool. Click on that. Now the selected text is aligned at the center of this frame. Now we can make this frame more beautiful by giving a background color. How to do that? First of all, we have to select this frame. For that, click on any one of the four sides of this frame. I am going to click on this side. Now the frame is selected. Now we can give background color by clicking on this background color tool. We can select the required color from this color palette. I am going to select this blue color. Now the frame has got a background color. Our next activity is to insert a picture inside this frame. How to do that? First of all, we have to bring the cursor inside the frame. For that, click inside the frame. Now the cursor is inside the frame. Now either we can click on this insert image tool, or we can click on insert menu. From that we can select image. Now a window appears. From this we have to select the folder in which the picture is stored, and from that we have to select the required picture. Now I am selecting this picture folder. In that I am going to select this image, birthday cake. Click on that and click on this open button. Now an image is inserted inside the frame. Now we can adjust the size of this picture by clicking on these squares around the image and drag it. If I click and drag inwards, the size get decreased. If I click and drag outwards, the size of the image will be increased. Now I can change the position of the image by clicking on the image and dragging it to the position where we want to place it. Okay, now we have inserted the image. Our greeting card is ready. So we have done these two activities now. Now we have two more questions in this extended activities portion in your textbook. You have to do these two activities as your homework. You will have to write down the steps of these activities in your notebook, and that is your homework for first chapter. Let's write a letter. So children, in today's class, we have revised all the 8 activities of chapter 1. We have also done 2 extra activities. I hope all the activities are clear to you. You have to write down the notes in your notebook. Then we will start our second chapter in next class. So see you in next class. Thank you.